All right, not rigid. So you're going through change. The organization's wearing change in all different kinds of ways. Emotions are high. People got their feels going on, getting signals. You've got to understand that the organization is going to breathe, right? It's going to move back and forth. It's going to be very dynamic. So you might want to lead towards a certain change vision, but you've got to be able to sidestep and move and respond in a way so that you're not too rigid, right? So I love this quote from, these are authors from the Harvard Business Review. Leadership is an improvisational art. So you may be guided, again, by an overarching vision, but what you actually do from moment to moment cannot be scripted, right? You must respond as events unfold. So as you think about going through change, introducing new benefits packages, right, and the new changes that are coming out every year, are you regularly stretching yourself outside of your own comfort zone, right? Making sure that you're not remaining too comfortable towards the change vision, right, and not really stretching yourself. Are there any biases or beliefs that you're holding on to, right? I saw a lot of y'all looking sideways when people were holding your stuff, right? So it's important that you recognize the conscious and, if you can, the unconscious biases as well that you might be harboring that's keeping you from really changing in yourself and embracing change. And are you regularly considering the perspective of others, right, as you're going through a change vision, right? So making sure you're getting feedback and you're course correcting as you need to by listening to your employees in the organization. Okay? 33, 74.9. That's my man. What's your name? Yeah, Matt. I love it. You're a chemistry nerd at heart. I love it. You cheated? Did you? I take that back, man. That was good. Oh, nonetheless, that was good. I love it. I love it. That was genius, Matt. I like it. So arsenic, he's correct, even though he cheated, he's correct. So arsenic's a deadly poison, right? So if you're not being flexible, if you're not adapting to the ways things are going, then it can really be poison to your organization. If you're stuck in one way and you're not able to move and lean whatsoever, then it's going to be poison to your org, and you're not going to be able to be successful in marching them towards your change vision, okay?